How do you test your aerobic capacity at home? Good aerobic capacity is directly related to ability to withstand the demands of everyday life, meaning how well the person can handle tasks and work so that they have energy left for other activities. In this video, we'll go through how you can easily test your own physical fitness. You only need running appropriate shoes and a heart rate monitor. Simple way to conduct the test is measure 15-meter section, for example using plastic cones or any other readily available materials. The goal is to walk around 15 meters segment as quickly as possible for 6 minutes. It's a good idea to bring a friend along to count the laps during the test, but if you are multitasking pro or you are female, you can manage it by yourself. Start your heart rate monitor at the beginning of the test. After the test, you will go to check how many laps the walker completed in 6 minutes and what was the final heart rate. Then you will go to enter the link down below and you will go to enter your results in the calculator through this link. Unfortunately, as we age, the aerobic capacity begins to decline and more physical activity one has engaged in, the smaller the decline tends to be. Aerobic capacity is also influenced by the factors such as overall exercise history, lung health and smoking. It's important to note that individuals with a lower fitness level can easily improve their fitness through the regular training compared to those already in good shape, and in that case you'll have to sweat a lot. If you like this content, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It will mean a world to me. Thank you. And if you like to hear example how I maintain my own fitness, here is a video about commuting biking, and from here you can find more health related videos. Thank you for your time and see you at the next one.